Okay. Can you pass me that? Trên linh nhỉ, chui. Okay, vámonos. What the heck? Alright, vámonos. I've always done this every single time. Never had that number before. And trust me, it worked. It is such a pain in the ass to pull business card to fall. It should hold it, but it doesn't always. And just don't want it to fall. All right, everybody. So this is cheers to Harvest 2024. It's beautiful day to start. We had a nice pick. Already got some of our first fruit processed. Kind of neat that like every year brings something a little different. And in 2024, we've already harvested two totally new varieties to us. So Picpoul Blanche and Clairette Blanche. So totally new to Troon, probably new to Southern Oregon, maybe new to Oregon. We're not sure. So new grapes and 5 different varieties we picked this first day. So those two I mentioned. We have some Fiano, Syrah, and Grenache all coming in. So fun way to start off 2024. And beautiful day like this. Everything's working out well. I think we're off to a great start. So cheers, everybody, to 2024.
Cheers.
Cheers. Some soda bubbles. So doing an Oregon harvest with some Oregon bubbles.